Table extensions. We will now look at the steps to create a table extension. Expand the AOT node, and then expand the Data Model node. Expand Tables node to find the required table. Right-click on your table, and select the option, Create Extension. A table extension will be created under your project. Steps to add fields to tables. Open to view a designer window. Expand the Fields node. Right-click on the Fields node, and select the option, New String. Right-click Field String 1, and go to Properties. Set the properties like Name, Extended Data Type, Label, Help Text, Configuration Key, etc. Steps to add indexes to tables. To add the new index, right-click on the Indexes node, and select the option, New Index. Set the properties like Name, Allow Duplicates, Configuration Key, etc. Drag and drop the newly created field into the index added now. Steps to add relations to tables. To add a new relation, right-click on the Relations node, and select New Relation or Foreign Key Relation. Right-click again to add Normal, Field Fixed or Related Field Fixed relation. Set the properties like Related Table, Name, Cardinality, Related Table Cardinality, On Delete, etc. Set the field and related field on which relation has to be set. Make sure that the related fields are of same types. Steps to modify table and existing field properties in a table. You can modify few properties of the table in the table extension. You can also change the EDT, labels, help text, etc. for the existing fields. Steps to add new methods to tables. To add the methods in an extension, add new class. Start the name of the extension class with the name of the type that is being augmented. And end the name with the term _extension. Add the annotation, extension of, and enter the table name, since we are adding an extension class for the table. For example, we will add a chain of command for the method insert. Check the method signature and add the same in the extension class. Use next keyword along with the method name. Now build the project by right-clicking the project name from the Solution Explorer. Only after the build process, this change is reflected in the database level.